Who said unicorns aren't real? 2002, HDJ 78. We've got the job of giving this thing a birthday from front to back. Hasn't been registered in 7 years. It's got no brakes. I'm actually excited. It's a real doer-upper. But we've got the job of looking after it. Stay tuned. Being an XTOA car means it's been in good hands, probably. It's seen the rounds. But for whatever reason, became unregistered, sat around, got neglected, lost its brakes, not sure why. Suspension's rusty, old. Rear window seals need to be done. Roof probably needs a paint. It's dirty, needs a clean. Lots of aftermarket wiring that needs to come out. It's just too much. Scares me. There's fuses everywhere. Relays everywhere. Not a good thing. Like all in one spot. Kmart rebar. High mount stoplight needs a new gasket. Some old Outback drawers. Probably change the carpet on it maybe. Still functional. Back of the car's very dirty. Bit rough and ready. We can do something with that. It's got good bones. Very solid. Not too damaged or anything. Roof mounted solar, which, as I said, I think I want to get rid of all the 12 volt stuff and we can just sort of start again. Driver's door needs a check strap. Aftermarket accessories and switches and... Wait till you see the engine bay. The old mirrors, probably put some new mirrors on it. Beautiful FTE. No radiator shroud, aftermarket radiator. I think it's had an oil cooler at one point, so the cooling system needs a really good clean out. Hot water unit there, which has signs of the oil damage. No second battery. Just so much wiring and fuses. Conduit everywhere. Don't know where it goes, what it's for. There's relays and fuses. Steinbound module. So I think the first thing would be find out why I have no brakes so I can at least drive. Sort the cooling system out. Give her a bit of a inspection, put a list on it. Go from there.